Nestled in the vast plains of Uttar Pradesh, India, lies the city of Firozabad. This city, vibrant and bustling, is renowned throughout the world. It is not just another dot on the map of India. Firozabad holds the distinction of being the city of glass, a title earned through centuries of dedicated craftsmanship. Located approximately 40 kilometers southeast of Agra, Firozabad basks in the reflected glory of the iconic Taj Mahal. The city is strategically positioned, with the life-giving waters of the Yamuna River flowing by. This strategic location has played a crucial role in shaping the destiny of Firozabad, turning it into a hub of trade and commerce. The city's roots run deep into the Indian soil. Firozabad pulsates with the energy of its inhabitants and the legacy of a rich historical past. The legacy of glassmaking, passed down through generations, is intertwined with the very soul of Firozabad. From humble beginnings to its current stature as a global glass manufacturing hub, Firozabad has come a long way. The story of Firozabad is a testament to the dedication, artistry, and resilience of its people. The story of Firozabad is not just about sparkling glass, it's a tapestry woven with threads of history, ambition, and cultural heritage. The city's foundation dates back to the 14th century, a period when the Delhi Sultanate held sway over much of India. It was during the reign of the ambitious Sultan Firoz Shah Tughlaq that the city was founded. Around 1360 AD, the Sultan, known for his penchant for building new cities, laid the foundation of Firozabad.
The city, named after its founder, was envisioned as a center of trade and commerce, strategically located to capitalize on the bustling trade routes that crisscrossed the region. The Mughal era breathed new life into Firozabad. The city's fortunes flourished under the Mughal emperors, who appreciated the fine art of glassmaking. Firozabad became an important administrative center during the Mughal reign.
The Mughal emperors, known for their patronage of the arts, recognized the exquisite craftsmanship of Firozabad's artisans. The glassmakers of Firozabad received royal patronage, and their creations graced the palaces and courts of the Mughal Empire. This royal patronage elevated the status of Firozabad, solidifying its reputation as a center of exquisite glasswork. The heart of Firozabad beats to the rhythm of clanging hammers and the roar of furnaces. The city's fame rests on its unparalleled glass industry, a legacy passed down through generations. The origins of glassmaking in Firozabad are shrouded in the mists of time. Some historians believe that the art of glassmaking was introduced to the region by invaders who brought with them glass objects.
The local artisans, ever eager to learn and adapt, saw an opportunity in the shards of broken glass left behind. They began experimenting with melting and reshaping the glass, using rudimentary furnaces called pain-sab-hati, which were essentially clay ovens fueled by wood.
Today, Firozabad stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of its glass industry. The city is renowned worldwide for its exquisite glass bangles, a symbol of Indian tradition and beauty. The streets of Firozabad are lined with workshops, each one a miniature factory dedicated to the art of glassmaking. The air is thick with the smell of molten glass and the rhythmic clanging of metal tools.
The artisans of Firozabad, with their nimble fingers and keen eyes, transform molten glass into a dazzling array of objects. From delicate bangles to intricate chandeliers, from everyday glassware to intricate art pieces, Firozabad's artisans have mastered the art of manipulating glass.
The soul of Firozabad is deeply rooted in its traditions, a vibrant tapestry woven with colorful threads of festivals, music, dance, and a deep respect for craftsmanship. The city comes alive during festivals like Diwali, the festival of lights, when every corner is illuminated with diyas and the night sky explodes with fireworks. Holi, the festival of colors, transforms the city into a canvas of vibrant hues as people celebrate with joy and abandon. Eid, the festival of breaking the fast, is celebrated with equal fervor, highlighting the city's cultural diversity and spirit of harmony.
The art of bangle making is more than just a craft in Firozabad. It's a cherished tradition passed down through generations, a symbol of the city's cultural identity. The process of transforming simple glass tubes into dazzling bangles is a testament to the skill and artistry of Firozabad's artisans. It's a labor of love, a dance of fire and skill.
Families gather in small workshops, each member playing a vital role in the intricate process. The rhythmic clanging of hammers, the glow of furnaces, and the chatter of families working together create a symphony of tradition that echoes through the streets of Firozabad. Beyond the shimmer of glass and the aroma of molten silica, Firozabad offers a glimpse into its rich historical past through its architectural marvels.
The Firozabad fort, though now in ruins, stands as a silent sentinel, a reminder of the city's glorious past. Its crumbling walls whisper tales of battles fought and empires lost, transporting visitors back in time to an era of valor and grandeur.
The Tughlaqabad tombs, another architectural marvel, offer a glimpse into the Mughal era. These tombs, with their intricate carvings and imposing structures, house the remains of Mughal emperors and noblemen, each tomb telling a silent story of power, love, and loss.
No visit to Firozabad is complete without experiencing the vibrant energy of its bangle markets. These markets are a riot of colors, a dazzling display of bangles in every imaginable hue and design. The air is filled with the friendly banter of shopkeepers and the clinking of glass bangles.
Visitors can witness the artisans at work, their nimble fingers transforming simple glass tubes into works of art. From simple everyday bangles to elaborate wedding churras, the bangle markets of Firozabad offer a dazzling array of choices, making it a shopper's paradise. While the glass industry is the pulsating heart of Firozabad's economy, agriculture plays a vital role in sustaining the city and its people. The fertile land surrounding Firozabad provides sustenance and livelihood to a significant portion of the population.
Step outside the city limits, and you'll witness a different side of Firozabad. Vast fields of wheat sway gently in the breeze, their golden heads shimmering under the sun. Sugarcane, a major cash crop, thrives in the fertile soil, its sweet aroma filling the air. Farmers toil diligently in their fields, their lives intrinsically linked to the rhythms of nature.
Despite the economic opportunities it provides, the glass industry in Firozabad faces significant challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is the environmental impact of glass manufacturing. The traditional furnaces, though a part of the city's heritage, are notorious for their inefficient use of fuel and high emissions.
The smoke billowing from these furnaces not only pollutes the air, but also poses health hazards to the workers and residents. Addressing these environmental concerns is crucial for the sustainable development of Firozabad and the well-being of its people.
Firozabad enjoys excellent connectivity with major cities thanks to its well-developed transportation network. The city is served by a railway station that connects it to major cities like Agra, Delhi and Lucknow.
Trains snake their way through the heart of Firozabad, carrying passengers and goods, connecting the city to the rest of India. For those who prefer to travel by road, Firozabad is well connected by a network of national highways. National Highways 2 and 93 pass through or near the city, providing easy access to neighboring towns and cities.
The hum of engines and the steady stream of vehicles on these highways are a testament to Firozabad's role as a vital link in the region's transportation network.
Within the city, a variety of transportation options are available to help residents and visitors navigate its bustling streets. Auto rickshaws, the ubiquitous three-wheeled vehicles, weave their way through the traffic, providing an affordable and convenient mode of transport. Cycle rickshaws, a more traditional mode of transport, offer a leisurely way to explore the city's narrow lanes and bustling markets.
The city's transportation network, a blend of the old and the new, ensures that Firozabad keeps pace with the demands of its growing population and economy. Firozabad stands at a crossroads, a city where tradition and modernity intersect. The city's future is intertwined with its ability to preserve its rich cultural heritage while embracing progress and addressing the challenges of the 21st century.
The government, along with various non-governmental organizations, is working towards modernizing the glass industry, promoting sustainable practices, and improving the working conditions of artisans. Efforts are being made to introduce cleaner technologies, reduce pollution, and provide artisans with access to better healthcare and education.
While the challenges are real, the spirit of Firozabad shines bright. The city's future lies in its ability to harness the entrepreneurial spirit of its people, their dedication to craftsmanship, and their resilience in the face of adversity.
As the world increasingly embraces sustainable practices and values handcrafted products, Firozabad, with its rich legacy of glassmaking, is well positioned to capture the global market.
The city of glass, bathed in the glow of furnaces and the sweat of its artisans, is poised to write a new chapter in its illustrious history, a chapter where tradition and innovation merge to create a brighter future.